Most of us grew up hearing the same words again and again. Focus, concentrate. From our parents, from our teachers, from almost everyone around us. But here's the truth no one told us. No one ever actually showed us how.
There are two simple reasons why most people struggle to concentrate today. First, we were never taught how to do it, and second, we never practice it. Think about that for a moment. How can you become good at something if no one ever taught you? And how can you improve if you never practice?
We become good at whatever we practice. If you practice basketball every day, you become better at basketball. But if you practice distraction every single day, you become really, really good at being distracted. The average person stays awake for about 16 hours a day, and most of that time, it's spent jumping from one thought to another, from one screen to the next notification. So it's no surprise we struggle to focus. We've been training ourselves to be distracted without even realizing it. People often blame phones and the internet, but technology is not the real problem. The real question is this: are you in control of your technology, or is your technology controlling you? Every time your phone beeps and you instantly pick it up, it's training you. You become the follower, not the leader. But the moment you decide when to use it, when to give your attention, everything changes. Technology becomes a tool. To truly master concentration, you need to understand your mind. Imagine your mind like a huge space filled with different areas. One part holds your emotions, like anger or joy. Another holds your memories, your ideas, your creativity. Now imagine something else, a small, glowing ball of light. This light is your awareness. It moves inside your mind, and wherever it goes, that's what you experience. That's what you think about. When this light keeps jumping from one place to another, that's distraction. But when you keep it on one thing, that is concentration. And here's the key. Every time it drifts away, you simply bring it back, again and again. That's the skill. So how do you actually build concentration? You start small, one moment at a time. When you talk to someone, be fully there. If your mind drifts, gently bring it back. When you're with your family, be present. When you're working, focus on just one task. Close the extra tabs, silence the noise. Each moment becomes practice. Just like an athlete trains their body, you train your mind. Many parents ask, how do I teach my children to focus? The answer is simple. You show them. Children don't learn from instructions. They learn from observation. If you are always distracted, they will be too. But if they see you focused, calm, present, they will naturally follow. We don't need to label children as unable to focus. We need to teach them how. Concentration is not a talent. It's not something you are born with. It is a skill. And like every skill, it can be learned. It can be trained. When you learn to control your focus, you begin to control your energy. And when you control your energy, you begin to shape your life. So start today. Do one thing at a time. Bring your attention back again and again. Stay steady. Stay focused, because a powerful life begins with a focused mind.